Hi there, I'm Corey McCain with WeStrive, and I'm going to walk you through this FAQ. The homepage is meant to be a beautiful snapshot of your personal training business. From here, you can easily see how many clients you have, their client compliance, and your Stripe balance and earnings. The client compliance refers to what percentage of days within a fitness plan your client actually records. If you assigned a workout on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, but your client only worked out Monday and Thursday, they would have a 50% client compliance. We also highlight this on the right side of your page, as well as underneath today's date in the Needs Attention section. Clients that have a low compliance will all appear here. Below that is the Due Soon section. This will inform you of any clients that have programs ending within the next 7 days. If we hop back to our Stripe balance, this is how you can process payments with your clients. It takes just a few minutes to set up, and we have a video for this in the FAQ section as well. The main part of the page is the recent activities breakdown. From here, you can see everything your clients are doing. Whether they're skipping workouts, and if they're cheating on their workouts, notice how the client completed the day but they didn't actually add any info, if they've added their body weight, what their daily macros are, or if they've listed their progress photos. Oh, hey, that's me. All right, let's check out this transformation that I had and what I used to look like. Boom, look at that. Right from the history, you can see my weight loss from last winter until now. I use this app called WeStrive to complete my transformation, but that's beside the point. Let's get back to it. From every tab in the app, you'll easily be able to access the top navigation. From here, you can instantly create a program, add a client, upload a nutrition plan, or add a new exercise. To the left, we have the support section. Here you can watch any tutorials, chat with us, or access FAQs. And finally, you have the referral dropdown, where you will get paid to refer other trainers. Literally, just send them that link, and once they start training on WeStrive, you'll get their first month's payment. And then the notifications tab, which is a summarized version of the recent activities section below. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out at help@westriveapp.com. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to smile, and definitely do not forget to keep striving.